Hey everyone, in this lesson I want to show you how you can go and track all this online marketing that you're doing. So, you know how there's two ways you can essentially make money online. One is with affiliate offers and two is with your own offers, right? Now, here's my recommendation to you. If you're planning on promoting your own offers so for example, if you created your own ebook, you have your own physical products that you're selling on your e-commerce store or anything like that, then I highly recommend you use nothing other than Google Analytics to track everything in your campaign. Now, in this specific video, I won't be going over Google Analytics. I may make a Google Analytics video later on, but as of right now, because there's honestly so much information on the web on how to use Google Analytics and how to set everything up. In fact, Google has their own Google Analytics certification course, which is a free course that literally walks you through step by step how to use it. But at the same time, it is kind of long, and I may make a video later on that just sort of gives you a general everything you need to know kind of thing for Google Analytics. So I may do that later on. But for this video, I want to show you how you can do tracking for your affiliate marketing campaigns, because you don't want to use Google Analytics when you want to track affiliate campaigns. With that being said, you should be tracking every single piece of business that you're doing online, mainly because you don't want to spend money on something and then not make money and then not find out what happened, what the traffic did, how the people reacted. I mean, the whole point of tracking your campaigns is so you can figure out which areas of your campaign are leading to money generation, which areas of your campaign are leading to no results, and then once you analyze those results, you'll be able to determine which areas and which placements you should be putting more of your money and time and resources into. That's why tracking is very important. And so today I want to go over affiliate marketing campaign tracking. So so you're gonna get your offer from an affiliate network, right? So once you get your offer, how it works is when you go and promote that offer, and then a user goes, clicks on the offer, gets sent to the offer owner's sales page, and then when they purchase, they will be there's a conversion being made. Now, if you didn't have tracking, the only way you'd be able to see that is when you went into your affiliate network panel and saw revenue made. But what you wouldn't be able to see is where that revenue came from. For example, if you're tracking, I mean, if you're for example, if you're using, say, pop-up advertisements, and you're using 50 on red and you're doing, pop-up ads, if you weren't tracking and you were only looking at the conversions, if you were only paying attention to whether or not you're making money or not, then you wouldn't be able to see which keywords or URLs led to conversions. For example, suppose you're bidding on 50 on red, and you're running a pop-up ad campaign, and one of your targets, and you have like five targets. One of them is Google, one of them is YouTube, Facebook, all that kind of stuff. And then you realize that, and then you start running the campaign and you get two conversions. So how do you know if the people who converted to your offer were from Google or were from YouTube or were from some other random website? The only way you can know that is with the tracking software, because with tracking platforms, you can input tokens and you can literally see which keywords led to conversions, what time of day the conversions were made, what your profit is. So it calculates the cost that you paid at the traffic network, and then combines that with the revenue you made from your affiliate networks, and it shows you how much your profit or loss is. Okay, so this tracking, there is a learning curve to it, especially with any kind of tracking you do, whether it's Google Analytics or affiliate marketing. So don't be too hard on yourself if you don't get it right away. It comes with a little bit of practice and a little bit of time, and you have access to me who's done it, and I've done a bunch of tracking before, so I'd be more than happy to help you get it set up and figure it out. Okay, so back when I was doing affiliate marketing, I was using a tracker called Volume. So this is volume right now, and back then they used to have a free package. This free package allowed you to get 100,000 free clicks per month on your offer, which basically means 100,000 times you can run 100,000. You can have 100,000 different people go to your landing page or sales page per month, which was great, and you didn't even have to pay anything for it. But now Volume has removed that free package, and now they only have a paid packages which start at about $100. So I don't want you guys going out and spending $100 on some tracking software, which at the end of the day isn't even that good when we're talking about volume. So not too long ago, I discovered another platform called AdsBridge. This is literally the exact same. I mean, they have all the exact same capabilities, and they have the exact same plan that Volume used to have, which is 100,000 clicks per month for free. So you can get started without having to pay anything, and you could even stay on the free plan and run 100,000 clicks per month and be making money, right? So I want to go and show you how you can get things set up in here. Now, when you go and start doing it on your own, you may have some questions for me. So feel free to ask me in class, or shoot me an email, or ask us in the chat in the Juice app. Okay. So once you create your free account, you'll be sent to a dashboard that kind of looks like this, right? So it kind of looks like this. Now keep in mind that I've never really I never used AdsBridge when I was doing affiliate marketing, but I went around and I went inside and I played with this free account, and I understand pretty much exactly how it works. So I'm going to go over it with you, okay? Now remember, prior to being able to do anything with this, you need to first be accepted into an affiliate network. Okay. Now keep in mind, this we're not talking about promoting your own offers. We're talking specifically about promoting affiliate offers. Okay. So in order to be able to do anything with a software like this, you need to have access to affiliate offers, which you will get access to when you're inside and have been accepted into an affiliate network. Now keep in mind, these kind of tracking platforms like AdsBridge, they usually rely on, they're usually only truly useful when the affiliate network has the ability to accept postback URLs, okay? So remember this term, because you'll be hearing it often if you get into this world of online business, okay? So postback URLs are essentially, basically, it's a way for the tracking platform and the affiliate network to communicate with each other. So for example, if you're running a campaign and a conversion is made or a sale is made, then the affiliate network will let the traffic platform know, and then the traffic plat will show you that in the statistics right here. For example, this would be changed to 1. It would show your earnings and all that kind of stuff, right? So first thing you need to do is make sure you're accepted into an affiliate network, okay? And if you're having trouble with that, then let me know and I can help you get inside of one or two. And then what you want to do is so remember I was talking to you about affiliate managers. You want to ask your affiliate manager for the tracking token, okay? Tracking token. You want to ask him for the tracking token, okay? Once they give that to you, you want to go into affiliate networks here. Then you want to go create affiliate network, okay? So for example, suppose I create an affiliate network called Affitcher. One of the affiliate networks that I'm a part of is called Affitcher. Then you'll click on this, and then I want to put in my tracking token. So I went back into my conversations with my affiliate network, and I found out that this was a tracking token right here. So it may look something like this. For example, with this affiliate network, the sub ID was this. So usually what you want to ask them for is, what is the sub ID? Okay, the sub ID is usually the universal term that you're looking for when you're looking for this token right here. So remember, it may be different for different networks, right? For example, with this network, for this network they don't use for them the sub ID is XX C1XX, right? So anyway, since I'm creating it for Affitcher, and this is my affiliate manager for Affitcher, I have her on Skype and I can shoot her a message anytime during business hours. So, make sure you always utilize the knowledge that your affiliate managers possess. Some affiliate managers are kind of assholes and they don't really want to help you. If that's the case, then ask for a different affiliate manager or try to get it with a different network. Because, if having a good affiliate network can make, I mean, having a good affiliate manager can make a big difference. So, anyways, this is my tracking token, and then I go save. There, now the affiliate network has been added. Okay, it's been added right here. Next thing I want to do, so I've given the token here, but I also need to give something to my affiliate manager to put it so she can put into her backend system for my account, so that this tracking platform and the affiliate network are truly able to communicate with each other. Okay, so that was step one. Step two would be to find the code to give to your affiliate manager. So you go down into campaigns, you go into tracking pixel, then you see the server postback URL. And then you just want to copy this, and just you can click this, copy, and then just shoot it in a message. Shoot it in a message to your affiliate manager. Okay, so I can say this, and then send it to them, and then inform them to just edit these tokens, because you know how this stuff, she needs to change this, she needs to change this, this, and this. They need to replace these things, these capital words, with their own networks tracking tokens. Once she does that and inputs it into her system, then you are ready to go, because essentially what it is that your tracking network is set up with your affiliate network, so you'll be able to run offers and track your progress. Okay, then you can essentially go create a campaign, and then yada yada yada. But there is one other thing. You want to add your traffic source, because you also want to be communicating with your traffic source so you can figure out. So basically, the tracking platform communicates with your affiliate network, and it communicates with your traffic source. So it's communicating. It's like the one in the middle communicating with two. So the traffic source has metrics such as costs and targets. So targets could be keywords or URLs or whatever. So when you want to add you want to add a new traffic source. So suppose for this one I say 50 on red, and then I would go and get my 50 on red postback URL. If the 50 on red has a postback URL, but a lot of advertisers do not. If they don't have a postback URL, then you can just leave this blank. What that will mean is that your traffic dashboard won't show the amount you're spending on that traffic source, which isn't that big of a deal, because all you'd really have to do is just go into your traffic source dashboard and just look at the costs there, and then just do the math yourself. So figure out how much you're spending, come into your tracking platform and look at how much you're making from your affiliate network, and then just calculate it to see if you're in profit. Okay. A lot of them do have some sort of variation of a postback URL, simply because it makes the job of affiliates so much more easier. Okay, so suppose my postback URL is .com question mark, and then these little tokens right here are what I would put in to track all the different types of parameters. So for example, if I wanted to see which device people are coming from when they're clicking my ad. So for example, are they coming from an iPhone, a Samsung, a computer, a Windows or a Mac or whatever. If I wanted to see the manufacturer, I could see that the manufacturer being like Samsung versus Apple versus Sony, right? You can even see things like city, browser version. Now these all depend on what kind of information your traffic source is willing to give up. Okay. So essentially, yeah, a lot of this stuff varies depending on the traffic source that you're using. So I mean, there's not much I can tell you as far as how to step by step set up a traffic source, because it really varies with the traffic source that you use. So, essentially what you want to do is you want to ask your traffic source if they have a postback URL, and then ask them what kind of tracking tokens do they have, right? That way you'll be able to see what kind of things you can track. And then from there, it's a very simple process of, so they may have a track, if they have a tracking ID, that's good because that essentially allows you to send conversions that are coming in from your affiliate network that allows you to send them to the traffic source, and then you can view your conversions on the traffic platform on your traffic platform's dashboard. This cost is what you if they have this token available, then it would show you in your tracking dashboard how much you're paying per click or per impression. Okay. Once you have all that set up, or set up as much as you can, because remember, it doesn't have to be complete, then you can just go and create a campaign, and then from there it's very straightforward. Campaign name, if it's a CPA or CPM, if you're not, and then from there it's very simple.